brother, Joshua, and this is Can It Quesadilla. This is a channel where we make different quesadillas every video and see if their ingredients can or can't quesadilla. Today is Cinco De Mayo. Also, Teacher Appreciation Week. So we're gonna make a quesadilla suggested by our Spanish teacher, Senior Deer. Thanks, Senior Deer. What we have today, Senior Deer wanted us to have a Mexican flag themed quesadilla. So we have our red, white, and green ingredients. Hey Joshua, speaking of Mexican flag, this tortilla bag actually has a Mexican flag on it. And Andrew, speaking of Mexican, we have Mexican cheese today. Wow, we're all ready. So what we have today is Cinnamon Gummy Bears, and we're back at it again with the Claus and Pickles. And we're also back at it again with the marshmallow cream. I am not sure about this quesadilla, Andrew. Me neither. I don't really like pickles. They're too salty, kind of. How do you not like pickles? They're too salty. It's pickles. I don't know about this, guys. We have pickles and Jet Puff marshmallow cream. And then we have the Cinnamon Gummy Bears.
And then cheese. Why?
Because it's Can It Quesadilla. Quesadillas have cheese.
Well, that's why.
That's why. I'm not sure about this. We have Cinnamon Gummy Bears, which are gonna be
spicy.
They're kind of, you can, I smelled them before we did this video, and they're actually like, they almost smell like hot tamales, if you guys know what that is. This is gonna be gross. Let's hope it is gross, because if this is not gross, then for some reason, I don't know. Okay, but let's cook. So first we're gonna preheat the skillet, and as usual, I'm gonna put butter on the pan to make it more crispy and better tasting. I noticed I said pan, but I mean skillet. Okay, great job. Wait. Dang, this butter is a cool butter. Let's kind of spread this around a little bit. Get it all over the skillet and the tortilla. So, like Andrew said, we can get it nice and crispy. Okay, now we're gonna add our cheese. Mexican cheese. Mexican. Success. I finally opened it. So what I'm gonna do is put a handful of cheese, but usually I put at least 2. Spread it around more. I think here, I'll spread it around. I'm gonna spread it. No, that's it. That's a good amount. Okay, that's good. Get back. What should we add next?
Pickles.
Gummy bears. I wonder if
maybe this.
No, too late. I'm wondering if the gummy bears will melt. Do you think they'll melt? I
don't know.
I wonder if it will affect the taste too, because I feel like melted gummy bears might. I actually don't know, because I wonder. Usually it doesn't get that hot, but I feel like it might boil a little bit. So I don't know. They smell cinnamony, and I'm wondering if that's not even a word, but I'm not sure. It might be weird. Okay, last one. Boom. Okay, Jet Puff Marshmallow cream. Are you sure we shouldn't do the pickles? Oh yeah, pickles. Oh, this is so gross. Oh sure. Ew, I feel like that'd be really gross warm. I feel like it'll be gross when we're done with this.
So now we're gonna add some marshmallow cream. I'm gonna try and use a knife this time. Last time did not work.
I think you know what that means.
Yeah.
Get that knife out of here.
Okay, time to use our hands.
Ooh. I can't spread it. That's good. 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 That's good.
Pickle.
Okay, that's good. Okay, now we're gonna fold it because it's been on there for like a minute because it took forever for Andrew to
Wash my
put
hands.
the cream on there and wash your hands, because it always takes you forever because you need to use soap, people. Coronavirus. Alright, now we're gonna wait.
So it's sizzling a little bit. So I think I might check it. Yeah, that's ready to flip. Let's flip it long ways.
Gummy bear and the pickle fell out.
No, the gummy bears. Let's flip it.
Beaten. Oh
Oh no, it's a pickle!
rest in peace, pickle.
Oh no. No,
He was
pickle.
so
Here,
young.
I'll bury him alive. I'll bury him. Oh, no. I'll give him his ceremony.
Ooh, yeah.
So some things about Senior Deer's class, his Spanish class. It was incredibly fun. I'm sad that we can't finish the year in it. He was hilarious. He was amazing. One of my favorite things in his class was we made a presentation on a state. I think I did Paraguay. I still don't know how to say it, even though I did research on it. Andrew, anything about you?
I remember this one time we were learning these Spanish words. Forgot what they were though. I think they were like.
Speaking of Spanish words, what's your favorite Spanish word? Mine's cucaracha.
Ooh.
If you don't know Spanish words, that means cockroach. It's just a fun word to say.
What I enjoyed most about his class was probably just learning the words mostly. Speaking of the Spanish words, my favorite word was azul. It means blue in Spanish. It's just really fun to say.
It's been a minute, 2 maybe, so let's check this thing.
Gummy bear just
That's
fell out.
ready. Oh, that's a nice cozy gummy bear right there. He's covered in marshmallows.
Got a blanket.
He's got a blanket, a white blanket. Review. Hey guys, we're here with the review with our dad. A couple more things about Senior Deer. There's this really funny thing he has on his iPad. It's called a noise meter, and he uses it during our class time. And it's so that if our class gets too loud, it'll go off and it'll break the screen. And it's cool and it's funny because our 6th grade classes are sometimes like the loudest classes or that I know, and I'm surprised it doesn't go off every single time.
Senor Deer, you've had a tremendous Spanish influence on the kids, but today you have a tremendous, disgusting smelling influence on our whole existence. So what do we have today?
We have a cinnamon gummy bear,
Oh wait.
pickle,
Jeez Louise.
and marshmallow cream.
This is impossible to cut.
The reason why it's that much stuff is he wanted to make it a Mexican flag theme.
Oh,
if you didn't know,
I see.
if you didn't know, Cinco De Mayo today.
This smells awful. I'm taking this little one here.
What?
Oh, that's a big one actually. I'm taking this little one. I'll try it because those are the rules. Them's the rules. Look at this. Look at that. Marshmallowy gummy bear. Oh, this smells terrible. Joshua, you get this gigantic beast of a quesadilla. Look at this thing. It's not even possible to stay together. It's just falling apart. It smells terrible. It smells like pickles and cinnamon.
You're gonna regret this
I
if
need
this
a
tastes
napkin,
good.
but it's not going to taste good.
Hey, you never know. Fun dip in honey.
Sorry,
Go watch
Senor Deer. All right, here we go.
it. So
You ready?
I wish.
What do you think? What do you think this is going to be? You think it's going to be good?
Nope.
You?
No
I
problem.
think Joshua thinks it's going to be good.
I'm
I
actually
think he's
sorry.
lying to all of us.
I'm starting to wish I never went first.
All right, here we go. You take a bite out of this part here. Get some of this gummy bear. Take a nice big bite. Show the Can Quesadilla fans that you mean business. It's not terrible.
It's actually kind of good.
I hate cinnamon.
Prediction made. Dang, this is actually kind of
This
good.
is so stupid. This is so stupid. It's good. I'm not gonna lie. I can't lie. It's quesadilla. We tell the truth.
That's more good.
This is unbelievable.
I expected it to not be good.
This sucks because I have to admit. That. This is. I hate spicy cinnamon. I hate Big Red. I hate hot tamales. I hate cinnamon gummy bears. This is the most ridiculous thing you're ever gonna hear me say, Andrew. Remember this moment for the rest of your life. And when I'm an old grandpa, remind me of this moment. Cinnamon Gummy Bears, Clausen Pickles, Jet Puff Marshmallow Cream, cheese and quesadilla tortilla, canned quesadilla.
It can.
I agree with you. Somehow in the world, on the channel, in the whole world of YouTube, it can.
Don't smell it. It tastes so much better than it smells.
Yeah.
That was incredible.
Don't judge a book by its cover.
That was incredible.
Or don't judge a quesadilla by its smell.
I feel like they're going to use that against me in a court of law in some capacity. I'm not sure how, but they'll figure it out. All right. Well, Joshua's already devoured the whole thing. Are you going to keep eating more? Because the whole thing about canned quesadilla, and when you say can, you would make it again. You would make it again? You're going to keep eating it? All right.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell, comment suggestions down below, please. We'll see you next time on Canned Quesadilla.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. Bye.
Happy Cinco de Mayo. Bye. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Bye-bye.